Stick around to see how I accidentally made tie-dye Play-doh, and I loved it.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
She's choosing the color right here, and these are the materials you're gonna need. If you're in a hurry, there are also timestamps in the description box. Food coloring, water, salt, flour, lemon, olive oil, and a big pot with some measuring utensils, of course. Let's go. Pouring your 3/4 cup of water on medium heat. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now I'm gonna make my lemon juice by squeezing this lemon. And there's a lot of pulp in it, so I'm gonna depulp it, run it through that strainer, and then I'm gonna add my 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, if you got lemon juice, you don't have to go through all this. Then I put about 10 drops of food coloring. All right, so we're gonna keep stirring this until it fully dissolves. We still have it on medium heat, by the way. And then we don't want it to boil, so when it's hot, like almost to the point of boiling, take it off of the heat and just keep stirring it. All right, so now we're gonna put our salt and our flour together, mix it up really good. And then you're gonna gradually stir in our 1 cup of flour salt mixture. All right, so keep stirring, get all of that flour in that pot. And when you're finished and you pour all the flour into the mixture, it should look like this. This is the consistency we want, and this is how we know it's done when it's clumping up on the spoon. So go ahead and put it on a parchment paper or some wax paper, and we're gonna let it cool off for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and work on our next batch, and that's the batch with cream of tartar. So you're gonna need your salt, your cream of tartar, you're gonna need your flour, you're gonna also need your olive oil or vegetable oil, and you're gonna need your water. So we're gonna go ahead and just start by dumping everything inside the pot, because you don't even need to gradually do this on. I didn't. I just put everything in the pot, and I'm gonna put it on a low heat and just keep stirring until it clumps up into a ball, okay? Now, because we got it on that low heat, you're gonna be stirring for a while, so just get ready. You'll be stirring for a little bit, not too long, but you'll get it right. You'll see when it starts to get thick. And it took me about 5 to 10 minutes to get it into this ball shape. So make sure it's like a ball shape. And now if you want to get that marbled look, this is what you do. Put 5 to 6 drops of food coloring while you still got it in the pot. Take your spoon, swirl it around with the color, and then after you do all that, you get this look right here. So put it on a parchment paper, let it cool off, and in about 20 minutes, then you guys are ready to play. So what I ended up doing was I wanted 2 different colors. So I took that batch that I did with the cream of tartar, I split it in half. I made one this kind of green color. And what I did was I added some yellow and some orange, and now we got this tie-dye look here, and I'm mixing in some orange just to kind of give it another tropical look. And that's really all you do, guys. Put the food coloring after it is done, and it'll give you this really cool tie-dye or marble look, and play around with it. My favorite is the with cream of tartar recipe. That's my favorite. It feels like that one holds its shape better. It's not sticky. And it feels like the regular brand of Play-doh. It's soft and it just feels like a really good texture. So this one is our favorite. The recipe without cream of tartar was a little sticky, so we had to add flour after it was cool. That's the only downfall. But after I added flour, honestly guys, this was a good one as well. This one is soft. It holds its shape. It's a good consistency. I'm not gonna hate on it, but I did have to add flour, so that's my one downfall. But see, after I add flour, it's good to go, just like the other one. As softest one, I would say the one without cream of tartar. So the pink one is softer than the one with cream of tartar. But to be honest, guys, they both work fine. They work fine. I just favor with cream of tartar over without cream of tartar. I did like how soft the one without cream of tartar is though. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed my review and tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!